To all you people back home that say dragons don't fly, these dragons fly. Look!
They're kites!
Welcome to Vitaly vs. Kites and Brandy vs. Kites.
And everything.
So, Brandy, have you ever flown a kite?
I actually haven't.
I
have not.
Have you ever flown an enormous kite?
No, I haven't flown any kite. And these are enormous kites.
These are huge. We don't want to show you all the kites yet.
No.
They're gonna be it's gonna be a reveal surprise to you guys when you see them fly. Done. Let's fly.
Have you ever flown a kite before?
I have, but I don't remember when was the last time I flown a kite.
Gosh.
So I guess we're ready to fly the kite. Let's go.
Wait, is this even assembled?
Yeah. Let's go fly a kite.
Never flown a kite.
Let's go fly a kite.
Never flown a kite.
Okay, that didn't work. So we're gonna try.
Reading the instructions?
No, instructions are for babies.
5 minutes wasted. 11 minutes wasted. 17 minutes wasted. 23 minutes wasted. 31 minutes wasted. 39 minutes wasted. Finally used instructions. I am smarter than you.
Brandy! Yeah! See you later, Brandy! Okay, Brandy, you ready? Wait, stop following me. You have to go the other way. Ready? Go! You've done it! Give it more string. It's so high. Give it more string. I am definitely the Dragon Slayer. I think I won, yeah? I made the thing fly. It's a really cool kite. It's super pretty. I like Vitaly. Like, subscribe, comment. We broke it. To all you people back home that say dragons don't fly, these dragons fly. Look!
They're kites.
Let's go to the next one. Okay, we're on to our next kite, which is this macaw.
Macaw.
More specifically, it's a parrot, but it's a macaw. It's the type of parrot that it is. This one, we are now officially kite experts. I'm a slime expert, a gummy expert, and officially a kite expert now.
Well, I'm reading the instructions.
Okay, no need for the instructions. By the time Brandy reads the instructions, I'm gonna be flying this thing already. And
You might want to think about this one, Vitaly.
keep reading the instructions. Look! It's flying! Dude, this one flies really well. This one's gonna go all the way to the moon! This is the first parrot to fly to the moon!
That's the first
Astronaut! Just moments ago, it was like not flying, just on the ground, and now it's just like flying all on its own.
Bye-bye, birdie.
Oh, they grow
Bye-bye,
up so
birdie.
fast, don't they?
Yeah.
I mean, you want to keep them in the nest, but then you just gotta let them fly every once in a while. Yeah, just gotta let them out of the nest.
If you love them, you know, maybe they'll come back.
Yeah, I'm gonna raise a kite myself now, you know? Like before I was like, I wasn't sure if I wanted to raise kites, but I'm gonna raise kites now, yeah. Like too much of a commitment, like, oh, they're always such a hassle,
But
so
the payoff,
needy,
right?
oh
But
man.
The payoff is so
When you
good.
see them soar, you're like, oh, on their own, it's so beautiful, yeah. This flight was a success.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, this next kite is by far the biggest kite. Let's go on to the next one. Kite number 3. This is an enormous kite.
Yeah, it's
this,
the last one, number 3.
This is 7 feet of fun. This is a full-grown shark. Look at this thing. This has like the jaws. Dun dun.
There you go.
Dun
That's
dun.
the Jaws theme.
Dun 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 dun. Flying one kite has been super easy. It's been way too easy just doing one kite. Yeah, I need a little bit of a challenge. This is gonna be like the beautiful ballet Swan Lake of pocket watch. We're gonna fly all 3 of these. Ready, go. So the 3 kites at once, I could have done if we properly threw them into the air. We just like,
You were better.
I am the best kite flyer in the world.
Anyways, thank you so
I
much for
declare a formal victory over the kites. Thank you for watching Pocket Watch Studios. I'm Vitaly.
I'm Brandy. These are kites.
Like, comment, subscribe. Give these kites a name.
Yeah.
Give this Jaws a name. Give the parrot a name. Give the dragon a name in the comments below. See you next time. Bye.